Hi, my dear children. Welcome back to our today's mathematics class. In the previous class, we learned how to solve practical problems based on the addition of 4-digit numbers. Today at first, we are going to discuss different methods of addition. So let's go to our today's session. Today's first activity, notebooks. The Nanma Club in school distributed 2,345 unruled notebooks and 4,678 ruled notebooks. How many in all? How do we find it? Just add 2,345 and 4,678. In this question, we are going to discuss different methods to add 4-digit numbers. First method. In this method, we have to split these numbers like this. That is, 2,345 equals 2,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 5. Next, 4,678 equals 4,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 8. Next we have to add like this. 5 plus 8, 13, 40 plus 70, 110, 300 plus 600, 900 and 2,000 plus 4,000, 6,000. Next add these numbers together. That is add 6,000, 900, 110 and 30. Add 3 with these 3 zeros. 3. 1 plus 1, 2. Add 2 with these 2 zeros. 2. 9 plus 1, 10. Add 10 with this 0. 10. Write 0 here and 1 is to be carried here. 6 plus 1, 7. We will get the answer as 7,023. How many notebooks are there in all? 7,023 notebooks. Next, second method. In this method, thousands and hundreds are joined together. And also, tens and ones are joined together. So, 2,000 plus 300, 2,300, 40 plus 5, 45. Similarly, 4,000 plus 600, 4,600, 70 plus 8, 78. Add these numbers like this. 45 plus 78, 5 plus 8, 13, write 3 here and 1 is to be carried here. 4 plus 7, 11 plus 1, 12, 123. Next do 2,300 plus 4,600. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 6, 9. 2 plus 4, 6. Next add these two numbers. 6,900 plus 123. 0 plus 3, 3. 0 plus 2, 2. 9 plus 1, 10. Write 0 here and 1 is to be carried here. 6 plus 1, 7. We will get the same answer as 7,023. Next, third method. In this method, thousands, hundreds and tens of these numbers are joined and ones remains the same. That means 2,345 equals 2,340 plus 5. 4,678 equals 4,670 plus 8. Next add these numbers like this. 5 plus 8, 13. Next 2,340 plus 4,670. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 7, 11. Write 1 here and 1 is to be carried here. 3 plus 6, 9 plus 1, 10. Right, 0 here and 1 is to be carried here. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7. We will get the number as 7010. Next add these two numbers, 7010 plus 13. 0 plus 3, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 0 is here and 7 is here. We will get the same answer as 7023. Next, last method. In this method, we can simply add numbers. 2345 plus 4678. 5 plus 8, 13. Write 3 here and 1 is to be carried in the tens place. 4 plus 7, 11 plus 1, 12. Write 2 here and 1 is to be carried in the hundreds place. 3 plus 6, 9 plus 1, 10. Write 0 here and 1 is to be carried in the thousands place. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7. We will get the same answer as 7023. Let's go to the next activity, savings. Anu deposited 1400 rupees in June and 1650 rupees in July. Her friend Sanu deposited 175 rupees more than Anu in June and 75 rupees less in July. Find the total deposits of Anu and Sanu. Who deposited more? How do we do this? Listen. Anu deposited 1400 rupees in June and 1650 rupees in July. So, deposit of Anu in the month of June was 1400 rupees and deposit in the month of July was 1650 rupees. Let's find out her total deposit. To find out this, we have to add 1400 and 1650. 1400 plus 1650. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 4 plus 6, 10. Write 0 here and 1 is to be carried here. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 1, 3. 3050. We will get the deposit of Anu, that is 3050 rupees. Next, let's find out the deposit of Sanu. Sanu deposited 175 rupees more than Anu in June. Deposit of Anu in the month of June was 1400 rupees. So, to find out the deposit of Sanu in the month of June, we have to add 175 with 1400 and 75 rupees less in July. Deposit of Anu in the month of July equals 1650 rupees. To find out the deposit of Sanu in the month of July, we have to subtract 75 from 1650. Deposit of Sanu in the month of June equals 1400 plus 175. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 7, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. And 1 is here. 1575. Deposit of Sanu in the month of June equals 1575 rupees. Next, deposit of Sanu in the month of July equals 1650 minus 75. We can't subtract 5 from 0, so borrow 1 from 5. 0 becomes 10 and 5 becomes 4. 10 minus 5, 5. Here we can't subtract 7 from 4, so borrow 1 from 6. 4 becomes 14 and 6 becomes
5. 14 minus 7. 7. 5 is here and 1 is here. 1575. Deposit of Sanu in the month of July equals 1575 rupees. Next we have to find the total deposit of Sanu. 1575 plus 1575. 5 plus 5? 10. Write 0 here and 1 is to be carried here. 7 plus 7? 14. Plus 1? 15. Write 5 here and 1 is to be carried here. 5 plus 5? 10. Plus 1? 11. Write 1 here and 1 is to be carried here. 1 plus 1? 2. Plus 1? 3. 3150. So, total deposit of Sanu equals 3150 rupees. See children, total deposit of Anu equals 3050 rupees. Total deposit of Sanu equals 3150 rupees. Can you say who deposited more amount? Yes, Sanu. Sanu deposited 3150 rupees. So, Sanu deposited more amount. Children, you have to practice these activities very well. You have to do this exercise in your maths note. Today's class is over. Thank you.